Hey budget travelers, if you're itching to see the world without burning a hole in your wallet, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be sharing some killer tips on scoring cheap flights, minimizing luggage costs, and finding affordable accommodation. Let's dive right in. First up, flights. Timing is everything. Try to book your tickets at least 2 to 3 months in advance. Airlines often release their cheapest seats about this time. Also, be flexible with your travel dates. Flying mid-week, like on a Tuesday or Wednesday, usually lands you the best deals. And don't forget to set up fare alerts on sites like Skyscanner or Google Flights. They do the heavy lifting and notify you when prices drop. Alright, now let's talk luggage. Traveling light can save you a ton. Most budget airlines charge extra for checked bags, so stick to a carry-on. Invest in a good quality lightweight backpack that meets the airline's carry-on size requirements. And here's a pro tip: wear your bulkiest clothes on the plane. This frees up space in your bag and keeps you cozy during the flight. On to accommodation. Hostels are a budget traveler's best friend. Sites like Hostelworld and Booking.com offer plenty of options. If hostels aren't your thing, consider Airbnb. You can often find cheap rooms in shared apartments or even entire places for less than the cost of a hotel. And don't overlook house-sitting opportunities. Websites like Trusted House Sitters connect you with homeowners looking for someone to watch their place while they're away. It's a win-win free accommodation for you, peace of mind for them. Now, a few extra tips to keep your budget in check. First, always look for free activities. Many cities offer free walking tours, and museums often have free entry days. Also, eat like a local. Street food and local markets not only offer the most authentic flavors, but are also way cheaper than touristy restaurants. And lastly, always have a budget plan. Use apps like Trail Wallet to track your expenses and avoid any nasty surprises. To wrap things up, traveling on a budget is totally doable with a bit of planning and smart choices. Book flights early, travel light, find affordable stays, and always look for ways to save on the go. With these tips, you'll be jet-setting around the globe without emptying your bank account. So, where will your next adventure take you? Thanks for watching, and happy travels. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your own budget travel tips. See you next time.